Whether you're a student, a hobbyist, or a seasoned professional, the best drawing tablet is the device that will bring your creative visions to life. Drawing tablets are useful tools for a range of creatives, from photographers retouching and editing images to animators and digital artists. To help you find the right model, we've listed the top 6 drawing tablets and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. You could also find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, validconsumer.com. Number 6. Huan Canvas Pro 12. If you're shopping on a budget, Huan drawing tablets have come a long way in the last decade or so. While some of its models can go up to $600, this pen display tablet is an excellent budget option that costs just $250. This tablet has 4 user-defined express keys and a touch bar to control canvas zooming, brush adjusting, and page scrolling. Like the Wacom and Twoos Pro, you can customize these express keys. The display's 120% sRGB color gamut volume presents 16.7 million colors vividly, and the anti-glare technology reduces glare while working in a brighter setting to shorten the distance between the pen nib and the cursor. Even though this is a pen display tablet, this model still requires you to connect it to a computer or laptop for it to work. Number 5. XPen Artist 12. The XPen Artist 12 earns our top spot because of its compatibility, customization, and reasonably affordable price point. The touchscreen display, a 1920 by 1080 HD IPS display, isn't the highest resolution available. Still, with 72% NTSC color gamut accuracy, it focuses on reproducing your work with as much precision as possible. What's great about having an 11.6-inch display inside your drawing tablet is that you don't need to look at your other screen while drawing on a separate surface. You're drawing on the device where your lines and colors appear. This makes it feel like you're creating art in the real world. The passive hexagonal pen, which feels very pencil-like, allows for 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity to get the hand-sketched feel in your work. And because the pen is passive, it's not another device that needs to charge. In addition, the Artist 12 gives you a full high touch bar you can program to fulfill commands on your computer. xpen recommends mapping it to the zoom in, zoom out feature, and you can harness 6 different assignable shortcut keys. This makes it a lot less of a drawing-only tablet and more of a full-featured control surface for your design programs. The device is compatible with Windows 7, 8, or 10 in 32 or 64-bit and Mac OS X as old as version 10.10. Number 4. Gan PD 1560. The Gan PD 1560 boasts a big, bright 15.6-inch display with a 1920 by 1080 resolution. In some ways, it rivals the Wacom options, but because it doesn't feature a touch wheel or flashy multi-touch, we think it's a more suitable rival with our top pick from XPen. Because of the 72% color gamut accuracy and the 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity from the active pen, it does have many of the features of the Artist 12. What makes it different is that it offers 10 assignable function keys, lined up in a column on the left edge of the device, which is more than the Artist 12. However, you'll have to pay nearly $100 more for this device. The IPS display's brightness and the extra function keys might be enough for you to spend that higher price tag, but the awkwardly wide form factor, different from something like the less sprawling Cintiq 15, makes it a device that will take up a lot of space on your desk. There's no denying that this is an excellent peripheral with truly impressive pen specs. We found the pen performed flawlessly during testing, although we noted that the side buttons could be more pronounced. Number 3. Wacom and Twoos Pro. The Wacom PTH 860 and Twoos Pro is a versatile and slim pen-based drawing tablet. It has a large 12-inch active surface, customizable express keys for one-touch access to common actions, and a battery-free stylus pen. The Twoos Pro works with Adobe Premiere Pro, Adobe After Effects, and other applications. It provides comfortable, near-lag-free operation. The tablet comes with the Wacom Pro Pen 2, although it also works with the optional Wacom Airbrush Pen, for example. It feels sturdy in hand, whether it's positioned on your desk or your lap. Number 2. iPad Pro 12.9-inch M2. The iPad Pro offers the best of both worlds. If having the best drawing tablet simply isn't enough for you, and you need to have the best tablet all around, there's really only one choice: the all-new 12.9-inch M2 iPad Pro. It's so far ahead of the rest of the tablet market that it's not even funny. Not only is the iPad Pro powered by Apple's blazing fast M2 chip for utterly stunning performance, it has a multi-LED XDR display with amazing brightness as well as local dimming to deliver astonishing contrast. Put the two together and throw in the wonderfully smooth and intuitive Apple Pencil 2, and you have a near unbeatable all-in-one system for creating digital art as well as showing it off to the best effect. So why, with all this, is it not our top pick? Well, it depends on what you need. The iPad Pro 12.9-inch M2 is so powerful and so priced accordingly that if you're only looking for a drawing tablet and won't need its many other features, it probably isn't worth it. And a dedicated tool like the others on this list will offer greater value for money. Still, let's not lose sight of the fact that this is one of the best overall tablets on the market right now, and one of the greatest for drawing, no question. Number 1. Wacom Cintiq 22. Wacom is a big name in digital art, and it's easy to see why. Delivering superior pressure sensitivity, great value, and artist-first features, it's only in recent years that rivals have offered much competition. The Wacom Cintiq is a pen display tablet, and Wacom's answer to contest generally used tablets such as the iPad. It's a fully realized drawing tablet with plenty of space to create, and we think it's the best all-round option for value, size, design, and features. Given its size, performance, and HD resolution, it's priced pretty competitively, and while other tablets and laptops may offer slightly more in the graphics department, the larger screen lends itself to detailed work and a smoother user experience. The 22-inch panel gives artists plenty of room in which to play, but even the smaller 15.6-inch panel far exceeds the size and quality of many other tablets on this list. The tablet features folding legs, which feel solid and secure in use, and clip away neatly into the rear of the device, or you can also attach a third-party tablet stand. The Cintiq is fantastic for all artists, from hobbyists to professionals, and despite its pretty approachable price tag, offers a really impressive drawing experience. The Slate has an incredibly high LPI resolution of 5080. And when paired with the wonderful Wacom Pro Pen 2, which has 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and is widely considered to be the best stylus available, the Slate is about as good as it gets for precision. One of our only gripes is that it doesn't have shortcut buttons, but you can always buy the Wacom Express Key remote separately. In a world that's constantly evolving digitally, having the right tools can make all the difference in capturing your creative essence. Each of these drawing tablets brings something unique to the table, catering to a diverse range of needs and preferences. Whether you're stepping into the digital art world for the first time or looking to upgrade your existing setup, remember that the best tool is one that resonates with your personal style and requirements. We hope this guide has shed light on the top options available today. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for more details on each product. And if you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, sharing it with your fellow creatives, and subscribing for more insightful content. Until next time, keep those creative juices flowing.